Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Class 6 Maths Periodic Test 1 Sample Paper. Periodic Test 1 Sample Paper 2025-26 Class 6 Subject Mathematics. Maximum marks 40. Time 1 hour 30 minutes. Section A consists of 8 MCQs of 1 mark each. Section B consists of 5 questions of 2 marks each. Section C consists of 2 questions of 3 marks each. Section D consists of 4 questions of 4 marks each. Section A, 1 mark each. The sequence 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216 represents which type of numbers? Options are squares, powers of 2, cubes, triangular numbers. See, what is 1 cube? 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Then, what is 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Then, 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Similarly, 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Then 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. So, this represents cubes. Next one, what is the total degree measure of one full rotation or turn? 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. What is the total degree measure of one full rotation or one full turn? That is 360 degree. Which type of angle measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree? Options are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. Which is the correct answer? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. What is the pattern in the Virhanga numbers sequence 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, etc.? Options are each number is twice the previous number, each number is a square of its position, each number is a sum of the two preceding numbers, each number is a multiple of 3. Which is the correct answer? Each number is a sum of the two preceding numbers. See, 3 is 1 plus 2, 5 is 2 plus 3, 8 is 3 plus 5, 13 is 5 plus 8. So, each number in this pattern is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Which sequence do you get when you start to add the counting numbers up? Options are even number sequence, odd number sequence, prime number sequence, natural number sequence. See, which sequence do you get when you start to add the counting numbers up? Which are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. See, these are the counting numbers. So, when you start to add the counting numbers up, what you will get? See, first one is 1, then 1 plus 2, then next 2 plus 3, then 3 plus 4, then 4 plus 5. So, see, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 5 is 9. Which series you got? Odd number series. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are odd numbers. So, you got odd number sequence. Next one. When is a line obtained from a line segment ST? When it is bent at a point, when it is extended on one side indefinitely, when it is extended on both sides indefinitely, when it is measured with a ruler. See, you have a line segment ST. See, this is ST. What's the question? When you will get a line obtained from this line segment ST. So, you have to extend on both sides indefinitely. Then you will get a line. So, option C is the correct answer. When it is extended on both sides indefinitely. What is a common starting point of the two rays that form an angle called? An arm, a line, a vertex, a segment. See, what is the common starting point of two rays? See, this is one ray, this is another ray. What is this common point, starting point of the two rays that form an angle called? So, that common point is called a vertex. Then, what are two lines called if they meet at right angles? See, if two lines, if they meet at right angles, options are parallel lines, acute lines, obtuse lines, perpendicular lines. These lines are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, they form right angles. Next, we have section B, 2 marks each. Find the next three numbers in the sequence 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. See, this sequence is a triangular number sequence. So, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. This is a triangular number sequence. Then, what is the rule of triangular number sequence? To find the nth triangular number Tn, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. What is n? N is the position of the number in the sequence. So, to find the eighth triangular number, what you should do? You have to replace n with 8. So, T8 is equal to 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2. What is 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2? 8 into 9 by 2. That is 72 by 2. That is 36. So, after 28, we have 36. Then, which is the ninth triangular number? Tn. Tn is equal to 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2. That is 9 into 10 by 2. That is 90 by 2. That is 45. So, this is the ninth triangular number. Then 10th triangular number T10 is equal to 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. That is 10 into 11 by 2. That is 110 by 2. That is 55. Okay. So, these are the next three numbers in this triangular number sequence. We have already given 7 numbers. So, we have to find 8th, 9th and 10th triangular numbers in this sequence. Next one, what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 99 plus 100 plus 99 plus etc. plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. See, here we are going up to 100 and then we are going down. Okay. See, what is 1 plus 2 plus 1? See, this is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. That is 2 square. Then what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1? That is 9. That is 3 square is 9. Similarly, if you do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. plus 100 plus then backwards 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus etc. plus 1, what you will get? You will get 100 square, that is 10,000. In the figure, name 5 points, 4 rays, a line, 5 line segments. See this figure? You have to name 5 points here. See, this is one point, D, then E, O, then C, B. These are the 5 points. Then 4 rays, OB, OC, then OD and OE. Then a line, DB. DB is a line here. Then 5 line segments, OC, OE, DE, EB, OD. Next, define reflex angle with an example. What is reflex angle? Angles that are greater than the straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. So, angles greater than straight angle and less than the whole angle. Whole angle is 360 degree. See, this is 360 degree. So, angles that are greater than straight angle and less than whole angle, that is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, they are called reflex angles. See, this is an example of reflex angle. See this angle. This is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Draw a pictorial representation of square number sequence. See, square number sequence is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. See like this. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So you can give pictorial representation like this. This is a square number sequence. Section C, 3 marks each. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. What is the degree measure of the angle between two spokes next to each other? What is the largest acute angle formed between two spokes? See, this is your Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. We have to find the degree measure of the angle between two spokes next to each other. See, one full circle is 360 degree. Ashoka Chakra is a circle with how many spokes? 24 spokes. So, the degree measure of the angle between two spokes next to each other is 360 degree divided by 24, that is 15 degree. So, the degree measure of the angle between two spokes next to each other is 15 degree. You have to divide 360 degree by 24. Okay. Then next one is, what is the largest acute angle formed between two spokes? What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle means it is less than 90 degree. So we have to find the largest acute angle formed between two spokes. So largest acute angle formed between two spokes is a multiple of 15 less than 90 degree. So it is 75 degree. 15 into 5 is 75. 15 into 6 is 90 degree, but we have to find the largest acute angle. It should be less than 90 degree. What happens when you add up pairs of consecutive triangular numbers? That is, take 1 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 10, 10 plus 15. Which sequence do you get? Why? Can you explain it with a picture? See, triangular number sequence consists of 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. See, these are the triangular numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Then you can represent this using symbols like this. See, this is 1, then 3, 6, 10, 15. Then what happens when you add up pairs of consecutive triangular numbers? See, 1 and 3, they are consecutive triangular numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. The next consecutive pair of numbers, triangular numbers, 3 plus 6, that is 9. Then 6 plus 10, 16, 10 plus 15, 25. You can represent this using pictures like this. See, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Which sequence did you get? We got square number sequence. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. This is a square number sequence. Section D, 4 marks each. What will be the angle at 2 o'clock and at 4 o'clock and at 6 o'clock? So, we have to find the angle at 2 o'clock. See, this is 2 o'clock. We have to find the angle at 2 o'clock. Then we have to find the angle at 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock. See, in 1 hour, the hour hand rotates 360 by 12. That is 30 degree. One full turn or one full rotation is 360 degree. In a clock, we have 12 hours. So, in 1 hour, the our hand rotates 360 by 12, that is 30 degree. So what is the angle at 2 o'clock? See, at 2 o'clock, 2 into 30 degree, that is 60 degree. Then at 4 o'clock, what is the angle? At 4 o'clock, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4 o'clock, 4 into 30 degree, that is 120 degree. Then what is the angle at 6 o'clock? 6 into 30 degree, that is 180 degree. Draw angles using protractor 110 degree and 40 degree. So first you draw a ray like this. Then keep protractor in such a way that the center of the protractor must coincide with the vertex of the angle. Also, the base line of the protractor must align with one of the arms of the angle, like this. Then you count degrees. Starting from 0, you have to take the innermost measurement. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. You have to go up to 110, then draw a point there. Then remove the protractor and draw a ray using a scale. This angle is 110 degree. Next 40 degree. So first you draw a ray like this, then keep the protractor in such a way that the center of the protractor must coincide with vertex of the angle. Also, the baseline of the protractor must align with one of the arms of the angle. Then you count degrees starting from 0. You have to take the innermost measurement. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. You have to go up to 40. Then mark a point there. Then remove the protractor and draw a ray like this. This is your 40 degree angle. Define the terms ray, straight angle, complete graphs, regular polygon. First one, straight angle. What is a straight angle? A straight angle is an angle that measures 180 degree. See, this is an example of straight angle. See, this is a straight angle. This is 180 degree. Then, what is a ray? A ray is a portion of a line that starts at one point called the starting point or the initial point of the ray and goes on endlessly in a direction. So it starts at a particular point and then it goes on endlessly in other direction. That is ray. Next one, complete graph. A complete graph is a special type of graph in mathematics where every pair of distinct vertices is connected by a unique edge. So every pair of vertices is connected by a unique edge. See this example. See, here there are 3 vertices and every pair of vertices is connected by a unique edge. See, these 2 vertices, they are connected by a unique edge C. And these 2 vertices, they are connected by this edge. And these 2 vertices, they are connected by this edge. Then regular polygons, all sides are equal in length, all interior angles are equal in measure. For example, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in length, all interior angles are equal in measure. What happens when you start to add up powers of 2 starting with 1? Now add 1 to each of these numbers. What numbers do you get? So, we have to write the powers of 2 first. Powers of 2, 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16. These are powers of 2. We have to add up powers of 2 starting with the 1. So 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 is 15. Like this, you have to add up the powers of 2 starting with the 1. Now, you got sequence like this 1, 3, 7, 15, etc. Now, you have to add 1 to each of these numbers. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 15 plus 1 is 16. So you got sequence like this 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. What number sequence is this? This is power of 2. 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16. So power of 2 sequence. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.